can't believe that we finally got superpowers. I know, isn't this awesome? I mean, check this out. I am pretty sure that I control light now. What did you get? I don't know for sure, but it looks like I control antimatter. Dude, this is gonna be so awesome. I cannot wait to start saving the world together. I know, right? But actually, what do you mean by saving the world? Well, you know, we're superheroes now, so we should like use our powers to fight crime and save the world. But the world doesn't need saving. It just needs to be. I do.